What we're showing here is how easy it is to use the GG6 connector, especially if a mistake has been made in a setup. If you look at what I'm filming there, the GG1 gang box, you see that the 14.3 wire is on the right-hand side. I want it on the left-hand side to make a nicer installation. So what we're just trying to show you here is how versatile this green GG6 connector is. And remember, it fits in metal boxes. You can use it in all sorts of the metal boxes. You can use it in ceiling boxes, and you can use it in panels. So watch me fix my mistake. Okay, so what we showed there was how quickly we could fix a mistake and make a cleaner job. You just got to have a pair of good solid pliers. You can pull those wires out, reuse the GG6. You can hit that thing with a hammer and it'll survive. You can rip it off, like you can see. You can pull it right off the side and it'll bounce right back because it's very strong. Neural plastic. It's also fire retardant. It's rated for leads, all that kind of stuff.